How can I download and install the Play Store app on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to walk through the process of downloading and installing the Play Store app on your Samsung Smart TV. This will let you access a variety of applications, increasing the functionality of your Smart TV. Let's dive right in.
Can I install Play Store on my Samsung Smart TV?
To begin with, it's important to understand that Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS, not Android. As such, they do not naturally support Google's Play Store, which is designed for Android devices. However, don't be disappointed just yet. There are alternative methods that allow you to enjoy Android applications on your Samsung Smart TV.
What is the alternative to Play Store?
Since Samsung Smart TVs use Tizen OS, they have their own app store known as the Samsung Smart Hub. It offers a wide variety of applications for your Smart TV. However, if you still want to access apps that are exclusive to the Play Store, there's a workaround by using an Android TV box or an Android Smart TV dongle.
How to use an Android TV box or dongle?
An Android TV box or dongle is a device that, once connected to your TV, transforms it into an Android TV. This way, you can download and use Play Store apps on your Samsung Smart TV. Follow these steps. 1. Purchase an Android TV box or dongle. You can find these devices online or in electronic stores. Make sure the one you choose is compatible with your TV and has the Play Store installed. 2. Connect the device to your TV. This is usually done via an HDMI port. Once connected, your TV screen should display the interface of the Android device. 3. Set up your Google account. Navigate to the Google Play Store on the device interface and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you will be prompted to create one. 4. Download apps. Now, you can download and install any app from the Play Store, and it will appear on your Samsung Smart TV. So there you have it. While it's not possible to directly install the Play Store on a Samsung Smart TV, an Android TV box or dongle can help you access all the Play Store apps you want. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more comfortable navigating your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy your viewing experience.